Hi, this is Dan Johnson from StockKid, which you can find at stockkid.razorizeparadise.com, and this video is for my YouTube channel, youtube.com/dstockKid. Now, this is the second video of my stock moves. This is a daily thing where I talk about how my portfolio did during the day, and while I'm not a day trader, certainly I think it's good to keep up with the news and what's going on and why stocks did what they did. So today is March 14th, 2011. It's a Monday. The first video was March 11th, 2011. That was Friday. And that day, the market went up, my portfolio went up $7,600 out of $1 million. Of course, I don't really have $1 million portfolio. This is a fake portfolio where for no money you can trade $1 million, but it's not real money. However, I still take it just as seriously as I would a real portfolio, and you can clearly tell that in my videos. So, today, as I said, was a good day as well. Or I don't think I said that, but yeah, today was a good day as well. My portfolio was up $2,100, almost $2,200, which is up 0.22%. Which is pretty good over a long period of time, and also since I only have about half of my money of the $1 million invested, since I'm really building my portfolio after my previous up-down account got hacked, it would really be about like 0.42 or 0.43%. But anyways, so the first stock is Apple, and it's easy to tell the reason that this stock went up. It's because of the iPad 2 and the sales that the iPad 2 is getting. I mean, it's really just amazing how what's going on with the iPad 2 and how many people are buying it. I mean, I went to the mall this weekend, and it was before the Apple Store even opened, and the line just went all through the mall, and they were having to keep security guards to keep people out of the store, and wow, it was just amazing how many people are wanting to buy this device. Now, it's not that big of a surprise to me because so many people waiting for the iPad 2, and it has a lot of cool features, but still, it's pretty it's pretty amazing to see that. Also, Apple says that it'll take 3 to 4 weeks to ship the iPad 2. I think that's a low estimate because Apple always underestimates their shipping. When I bought the first iPad, they said it would take a week to ship, and it took 3 weeks, 3 days. I pretty much always had that with Apple where they've taken a lot longer to ship. I would guess that it'll take at least a month and a half to 2 months to ship, if not even 2 to 3 months. Probably, but it's not, as I said, it's not that big of a surprise because literally 70% of the iPad 2 buyers are new iPad buyers who did not buy the first iPad. So the iPad 1 sales were limited because they had a lot of features that were missing, like cameras and things like that, and now that they have those features, they've got a ton of people upgrading to the new iPad 2, but all those people who are waiting for the iPad 2 to get in are flooding in and buying. So, it's no surprise that the stock was up 0.45%. It'll probably continue to go up for a while, even though all the rumors about Steve Jobs, which I think have no merit. Anyways, let's go on to Amazon. It went down 0.8%. That was because of the Nexus tax for affiliate marketing, and now they are eliminating a lot of affiliate marketers from eliminating a lot of states from being able to have people affiliate market in those specific states because of this expensive tax. I really don't think it's that big of a deal. I think they're just going to eventually have to just deal with it and allow everyone to affiliate market because they make so much money from people marketing their products, and if they didn't allow that, and if they didn't do that, I think, the tax, yeah, but, I mean, since they make so much money from it, I think they're just going to have to deal with it. and I don't think it's that big of a deal because I think Amazon, is obviously they're the leader in online selling, unless, assuming we're not talking about like eBay or Craigslist. I mean, Amazon's even more popular than them, and eBay and Craigslist, I mean, people may have an account there and they might bid on stuff, but I mean, eBay doesn't make nearly as much money from the sales that Amazon does, and also eBay and Craigslist are just, really, they're risky to buy on. So, as people buy more and more online, and a lot of people in other countries start to buy online, Amazon's just going to be the leader. People are going to be buying a lot from Amazon, and their profits are going to continue to just go up. So, Activision Blizzard, there was no reason for that. Again, just like on Friday, 1 cent increase doesn't mean anything. Bridgepoint Education, it was continuing its last week increase on Friday, and that was because the news came out. There was the stock was tumbling because there was news that they were going to have to appear at a Senate hearing, and they were going to lose a lot of money from whatever was going on. I don't pay attention to rumors like that, and it was good that I didn't, because it was announced that they didn't have to appear at the Senate hearing, and the stock is still going up from that. Cognex Corporation's no reason. Dolby Digital, no reason. Hasbro, no reason. Infra, no reason. I mean, it's just noise, really. Those first stocks going up and down isn't really relevant to any news or anything that's going on with them. Netflix went down because of all the worry about Facebook videos taking over. I'm not going to cover this because I already uploaded a video talking about why I'm not worried about Facebook movies overtaking Netflix. I don't think they're a huge competitor. The Netflix CEO said they didn't think so, and I happen to agree with them, and I list why in that video, so I don't think people should be concerned about that, but, a lot of people are, so the stock is falling. So let me also go to the watch list, and there's only one stock on the watch list because, I'm rebuilding my portfolio because my previous account got hacked again. I'm saying that again, but this stock is Enernac, and I made a video talking about this, of course, and this stock went up almost 1% because Microsoft announced that it was switching to an energy plan, and the energy plan sounded almost, it sounded almost exactly like what Enernac offers, so a lot of people have suspected that Microsoft is going to hire Enernac, and if that happens, the stock is just going to really shoot up, considering, how many devices Microsoft sells, even though with its, with the operating system, it outsourced that to OEMs. I don't know whether they'd implement that into the OEM machines, and whether the OEMs might also start doing that. But even if that wasn't the case, I mean, Microsoft has the Xbox 360, and so that would be really good for Enernac. So that was the day. As I said, overall a good day for my portfolio, and I hope it was for yours as well. So I hope this has helped you to understand why stocks did what they did today, and I hope you've enjoyed this video as well. So check my website, StockKid. It's stockkid.reasonersparadise.com, and my YouTube channel, youtube.com/cstockkid. See you there. Bye.